Have you ever been on your own before?
No, never.
Your last relationship lasted how many years?
12.
Sexual preference?
Women?
Any children?
No.
And the dog?
This is my brother. He was here a couple of years ago, but he didn't make it.
Good morning. 44 days left. Breakfast is served.
As you understand from your brother's experience.
If you fail to fall in love with someone during your stay here, you'll turn into an animal.
Would you like to dance? Mind if I join you?
It's no coincidence that the targets are shaped like single people and not couples.
Did you catch rabbits? Catching a rabbit is difficult.
Thank you very much.
We have to be totally synchronized. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Have you thought of what animal you'd like to be if you end up alone?
Yes, a lobster.
A lobster is an excellent choice.
I can't go much faster. These trousers are too tight. I'm sorry.